Hello, everybody. I know it's been a while. I hope you all are well, and so are all your loved ones, and every single person that you know. I hope they're all safe and staying at home. That's the only way we can stay safe, right? So I just need to tell you all that the AP line, the skincare, hair care, all the products that I have introduced to you, whether it's mine or Self Groomers or 011, they all fall under essential items, and so parcels are still going out. I know many people are getting very harrowed and saying, "Ma'am, are you sending out parcels now?" Yes, every day there's pickup and drop as well. As many of you know that you've been getting your parcels. Yeah, yep, the products are still going out all over. Not all over the world. International shipping has come to a standstill now because Delhi's under lockdown. But as soon as it's lifted, then your packets will go out. So for all those who have been asking me over and over again, this is how the situation is. There are many pin codes, actually not many, just a few pin codes that are still under embargo. And so if you have a doubt whether your pin code is reachable or not, just ask me and I will let you know. All right, so that's where we stand with shipping. I know all of us are just stuck at home yet again, So what I need to tell you is the people who've had COVID, who've overcome it, their biggest issue right now is hair fall. Hair is falling like crazy. Each one writes and tells me, and other than the tiredness and everything else that goes with it, the hair fall is really bothering people. So please, hot oil massages is a must, and do it 2, maximum 3 times a week. And you don't need to keep the oil on and go to sleep. Which oil should you use? The 21 herb hair oil, which is fabulous. And so all the other issues that people are asking me about, I thought I should address them, even though I've addressed it many times over. Yes, I've cut off all my hair. It's so hot in Delhi. I mean, it was even shorter, and I was just like, oh my God, it's such a relief to take my hair off. But it is all gone now. But it'll all grow back, so it doesn't really bother me. So let's talk about, a lot of people have issues with a dark neck. Now, dark necks happen whether if you could be overweight, you could be diabetic or borderline diabetes, iron deficiency. There are a lot of reasons why you can get a dark neck, and I know you've been asking me over and over again about it, but I keep telling you to use body scrubs and concentrate on your neck. Don't just look after your face, your neck, the chest. Everything gets the product that you're using on your face, so the neck is well looked after. The banana peel extract, Gopi's banana peel extract treatment cream actually has been working wonders for people with really dark necks and pigmentation as well. Strong pigmentation. It's a treatment cream, so put it on, leave it on for 2 hours on your neck and wherever you need to get rid of the darkness and the pigmentation. Use it, and after a couple of hours or 2-3 hours, you can just rinse it out, and then you can go about your day, or you can use your other products. So you can use this any time of the day, and remember, it's a treatment cream, and it's been just magical for a lot of people. They've been just saying, "Thank you, ma'am, for introducing the Gopi's banana peel extract treatment cream." It works wonders. And as millions of you know, the vitamin C serum has just I think I introduced it about 4-5 years ago, and since then people have been just like, "Oh God, ma'am, it's just brilliant." So now these are all treatment products which you can use to get rid of all those really stubborn marks, spots, pigmentation. These are the 2 products that you should use. Of course, Sandhu has now brought out the vitamin C serum, in a ready-made bottle as well. And people then have been asking me, ma'am, then what do we do with all this powder that we have? Because there's a lot of powder that he has sent out to a lot of people. I mean, lakhs and lakhs of people have it. So what I do is I empty it out into a small dark glass bottle, and so from there it's easier for me to use on a daily basis. And my honey and powdered sugar and vitamin C has just the hugest hit, huge and amazing and remarkable changes with that. So what you do is, in case you have lost that video and you can't find it, and please don't keep asking me to scroll down and look for the videos, just look for it yourself. But if you cannot find it, just take about, in a bowl, take about 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, or you can use powdered rice. Okay, so you've got either one. You can use oats. There are a lot of things that you can use as a scrub, but these things that really work in this scrub. Okay, so powdered sugar or powdered rice powder. Rice powder basically, and add about 2 tablespoons of honey in it. Mix it nicely, and half a teaspoon of your vitamin C powder. Please don't throw it away. Please don't discard it. It is just a magical. Ascorbic acid has just helped so many people, and it's pure vitamin C powder. So take this powder, half a teaspoon, put it into your scrub, and mix it nice and proper, and scrub it on your face. And how many people have just enjoyed doing this? Yeah, do it twice a week. Scrub it on your face, your neck, and after you scrub, leave it on for about 10-15 minutes and then rinse it out. Every time you use a scrub, please use a pack. A pack is very, very important. The Golden Saffron pack is brilliant, and you can use it. You can use an egg white if you want. You can use Multani Mitti. There's so many things that you can reach out and use. Yeah. So these are products that will help with all that pigmentation that people are fighting. Now, your vitamin C serum, people who are just lazy, not everybody is lazy, but people who have moved on to, your skin is absolutely cleared out because you've used all these products and it's all cleared out, but you still want to use I think your vitamin C serum is not something that you should discard and say, okay, I'm not going to use this, now it's all clear. So use it every single day at night, and then reach out for your vitamin C serum that comes in a bottle. You don't have to make it every week. But if you have stubborn spots, dark marks, acne marks and pigmentation, then make your own vitamin C serum. Now, when I say make your own vitamin C serum, the measurements are just so important. You cannot just use, ma'am, I'm using 2 teaspoons of vitamin C powder. Please don't use that. Today somebody wrote in and said, I'm using 2 teaspoons of vitamin C powder and 2 tablespoons of sterile water, and that is really not what you should be doing. And it's very, very clearly said, step 1, step 2, step 3, how to use it. Vegetable glycerine gives that whole amazing serum-like finish, but if you're prone to pimples and if you're prone to acne, please don't use the vegetable glycerine in your when you are making your own vitamin C serum, right? So if you got a little dry skin, or if you feel your skin is dry after using the vitamin C serum, you can add that 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerine in it. And also please moisturize your face after you use the serum, the scrub in the pack. Moisturize your face because your skin needs that moisture. I've been just of course at home like everybody else, and I spent hours, I think 3-4 hours, and I'm not lying, I promise you, I spend it out. And I get up early in the morning, and my Mali's got COVID now, so I've just asked him to stay away. And even when he comes, I say, please come every alternate day, because I want to get out and do the work myself as well on the days that he doesn't come. So I sweep the whole grounds. It takes me 2.5-3 hours to do it. And by then the sun is out, and I'm just getting, you can see that I'm getting nice and tanned. So of course what I do is I slather on the sunscreen lotion from Self Groomers. And normally sunscreen I'm sorry, normally sunscreen, it just makes me sweat. It leaves a whitish tint on my face and I hate it. But this lotion, the 40, when I'm stepping out in the sun, it's 40 SPF. Otherwise, if I'm just going out, it's a 30 SPF. And I never used to use sunscreen till Self Groomers brought it out. I've got a small frog in my throat. Okay, so that's it. So I use it. It's matte, it's fabulous, and it's not like, I'm not getting like charcoal burnt. Normally I do that. So this is it. The sun-kissed look is completely because I'm out in the sun, and I'm happy because I'm getting my vitamin D as well. Yeah, so, once you get your skin all clear and everything else, remember that you have your AP skincare line to kind of then let you sail through with life with just beautiful, amazing skin. Yeah. So, the hyaluronic acid cream, people are forgetting that it can be used day and night. So, I know I've been saying use it at night because it's a nice strong cream and it needs to fully get absorbed. But if you really, really want to use it during the daytime, be my guest. It's fabulous. During winters, I do use it during the day as well. But during summers, I cannot use any creams. So anyway, but at night, of course, I use my hyaluronic acid cream. So what you do is, on a moist face, always, yeah? And I'm saying this because I've got so many people asking me. So either your Aqua Power goes on or your Golden Saffron gel goes on, or if you don't have either of them, any gel that you have at home, you don't have that also, just wet your face and then use your hyaluronic acid cream and it just goes in and does its magic. So all your AP product, skincare products will help you keep your skin clear, young, beautiful and stunning. So that's where we're at. And yeah, these are the things I want to talk to you about today. But also, I really need you to understand that we have to look after ourselves. These are very, very difficult, trying times. The first wave was terrible and we were all shocked. We couldn't get over it. And once we started getting used to it, the second wave hit. And this is more devastating, more disastrous, more heartbreaking. Lost so many people that I know to COVID during the second wave. And it's just heartbreaking. What more can I say? So please, friends, stay at home, stay safe. Keep yourself and your loved ones safe. Double mask. I double mask every time, even somebody comes to the gate to give me my veggies, anything, it's a double mask. Double mask yourself. I know it's difficult to breathe through it, but just do it. It really works. And even when you get your second dose, I haven't got my second doses yet, please stay safe and still safeguard yourself in your house for about 3 to 4 weeks and then maybe think of stepping out if you have to. I don't even know what this world is coming to. I don't know if we will ever. I think the things that we took for granted, all our lives, we were just free souls. We were doing what we wanted. We were traveling. We were doing everything. And now everything has come to a standstill. Will it ever go back to that? In 10, 15 years from now, will we say, oh my God, you remember those days? How amazing and how much we took it for granted. I hope we go back to those days. I hope we do. We are free again. Because right now we're not. We're imprisoned. And it's not okay. So, nobody knows much about this disease. Yeah? So, all we know is, for sure, is that we have to stay safe. To overcome it, to beat it. So please, stay safe, stay at home. and spread the happiness and the love through any which way that you can without getting out, you know. Take care, you all. I shall see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.